What's up, everyone? My name is Jonathan. Today, we are going to do something a little different that I don't normally do, and that is a first impressions video, and is going to be around what is on the screen, and that is Canva. Lots of people have talked about this, and it's a great resource on how to make graphics and stuff for free. I'm pretty sure that's the rumor I've heard and seen and read and stuff. So, as somebody that uses Photoshop and Illustrator as their primary resource for making these types of things, I'm gonna give it a look over. I'm gonna see what all the hype is about. So I need to make a YouTube thumbnail for this video because it's gonna be like a first impressions type thing. Let's see. Start with a template. Don't know that I want to start with a template. Customize. Upload your own images. Drag them. Share. Got it. Okay. So let's see. How to. Is this the working area? I don't even know. I think so. Okay, so I'm going to start with a text. Man, this is so weird. I don't even know where to begin. So we'll just pick one, I guess. Okay. First impressions. Can I make this wider? Okay. Is there like an I just like had to adjust how I was seating because I gotta figure this out. This is super strange. How do we move it? How do I okay. First impressions Canva. I think that makes sense. Oh, let's see. How do we make a background? So we could pick one. Okay. So free, not free, guessing. What is this? Remove watermarks. Is there a watermark? Oh, right there, Canva. Yep, behind it. Okay, so we got to click on a free one. So we'll use this one. Sure. Let's go back to the text. Change the color. Okay, that's the color. Man, this is like so strange. It's not my thing. This is super weird. We'll stick with that. Can we outline the text? Can we outline the text? I don't see. Okay, so this is how we change the font right there. Make this bigger. Is there a box? No, there's no box. How do we, okay, here we go. Effects. Outline, shadow, lift, curve, glitch. That's what was, nope, don't like that. Hollow, don't like that. Nope, way too much going on. I just want, is there really no just like regular old, you know, like a, like an outline? That's stupid. If there's no outline, if there's really no outline feature, like that's silly. What does this do? I see. I think it's adding like a blurred shadow behind it. Yeah. We're just gonna do a regular shadow, I guess. We're gonna change this to like black though. Make it stand out a little bit. Make it stand out a little bit more. Canva, same thing. Change this to black. Okay. Transparency, direction, right there. Offset, right there's fine. I'm super annoyed that there is no, you can't change, like there's just no outline the text. Like that's like so oh cool. Okay, so we can use regular, we can even use RGB codes. That's cool. Because I don't like this. I don't like that. This is so weird. We just do white. Okay. Okay, yeah, crazy. So elements, what do we got here? So we can do charts and graphs and gradients. Free. So they do have some free stuff. Lots of free stuff. This is okay. So here, I want to use this. So does it? Okay, cool. It does align. So I want to do something like that. And probably one above too. Does that mean it's like lined up perfectly? I think. Okay. We see all. Nope. Okay, go back. I don't want to do that. Lines. Okay. They got a lot of stuff. I mean, they got a lot some look, there's some okay, found some pro stuff. Not 100% sure what makes that so special. You could literally make this with the lines that I just did. I mean, I guess it would take you longer. Or you could use I bet you could use this to make the exact same thing. Oh, you can't like it's stuck in that scale. You can't like it doesn't have a free form option. That's dumb. How do I delete this? Put this on here. Okay. Yeah, so it's interesting. I'm not sure. I'm probably not going to use this. I guess you could upload your own photos. Oh, they have a bunch of stock photos. Are these free? These are free. So you could use a bunch of stock photos. Of course, today happens to be Valentine's Day when I'm recording this. So you could use a ton of these stock photos. That's cool. I mean, that actually is a pretty big deal. The fact that they have so many just stock photos. I mean, this one's not free, but this is, and this is, and this is, and that is. So that's pretty cool that they have so many stock photos. I'm probably not going to use that one. That's pretty cool. So, I mean, they have one. Oh, that's a pro one. So can't do that. So see watermark there in the middle. Can't use that one. Because the whole point is that this is free. So they do have some pretty good free ones. That's cool. Milky Way. Oh man. So these stack. Okay. So yeah, not sure I would ever use this, but they got blue black backgrounds. I think I might try and use this more. Maybe. It's just so much easier. I'm so used to Photoshop. I don't know if I could do this. I don't know that there's enough customization that I think that this would just annoy me. I think that this would be irritating. I don't know that I could I don't know that I could do this. I think that this would irritate me not having the amount of customization that I'm used to. So, yeah. If anybody has anything specific that they want to know how to do in Canva, I am more than willing to figure it out and give it a try and see if I can help you. So if you come across something that you're like, how do I do this? Feel free to let me know down in the comments and I will do my absolute best. First time I've ever done a video like this. Let me know if you want more like this with other software. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and we will see you in the next video.